Welcome to this video. Now we will add some HTML markup. In your project, open client app folder, source, and then inside of app, visit our new component folder, register passenger, open it up and go to the register passenger component HTML. So the markup, right? Open that and you can see register passenger works. Now, please go ahead to our GitHub repository and check day 9 and search for register passenger component HTML, right? And then simply go ahead, take the content of the file and paste it inside here. Now you can see, let me zoom out a little bit real quick. I know you will not be able to read it anymore, but this is everything we have right here. And as you can see, it's still some bootstrap. So just default stuff. And then we got some input fields right here and they have a placeholder. And a placeholder has nothing to do with any sort of data binding or stuff like that. It's really just simply saying, okay, inside of that input field, there is like a placeholder text, which is saying email. And then we have that label, and that for attribute here is just saying that this label is meant to, well, be visible or is meant for this input field. So here there is no data binding. It's really completely plain HTML. But once we get to that input fields right here, you can see class form check input, which means that this is a checkbox. You can see that here is female, is male. Just need to get rid of that small typo here, but that's not a problem. It wouldn't change anything at all. So you can see that value here and it's set to true and here it's set to false. So default value is female. You could also set that to male, whatever you like, and the type is a radio button. You will see that in action just in a second. Now, here below, you can see we have a button of type submit. A button of type submit submits the form where the button is inside. And then you can see we have login text and we have an icon for login in. You can see font awesome sign in button or icon, and we're done. Now, as I said, a button of type submit submits a form, but right now we don't have a form tag here. So this is just our point to really get started. And now when you visit that page /register passenger, you can see that form here, email, first name, last name, female, male, and all of this. Right now, if you tick the boxes, you can see that it's, well, a little bit buggy, but that's not a problem because we haven't really used Angular now, which will take care about the validation of all of this and make the form really working. But that's just HTML template from where we start now.